What the fuck? Inflation is out of control and we need to talk about this. Side topic, but my stock portfolio is down $13,000 on the latest inflation report. Buy now or wait? What's up, everybody? I'm Sean McMurray, co-host of BPM RIA Online, and this is Mr. $250 million in real estate transactions, my mentor, my good friend, president and owner of BPM RIA, NFL football player, rubber elbow guy, Anish Dave.
Hey, this is Anish Dave, president of BPM RIA, and happy to be here, guys.
Folks, the latest CPI numbers are out, and I'm as excited to see them as Smokey from Friday meeting the Janet Jackson lookalike Rita for the first time. Yeah, they are that bad. Have we changed our direction and decided to stop investing in real estate? No.
But the consumer price index rose 8.3% over last year in August. Stocks are tanking and a 75 basis point rate hike is almost certain.
No. Oh, sorry. Love that song. Okay.
But housing prices continue to climb, with the cost of shelter recording its largest increase month to month of 0.7% since January of 91. Surely you've changed your mind.
No, but in all seriousness, and by seriousness, I mean not serious, I'm going to continue cracking jokes. The data is important, the lesson is important, but having fun and learning do not have to be mutually exclusive functions. Anish, the cost of the brick is going up, and by the brick, I mean everything. How does this affect homeowners' ability to purchase homes, and how does that affect the investor?
Yeah, so I know the CPI, Consumer Price Index, is going up. It seems a little bit scary, but at the end of the day, people still need homes, right? The end buyer, yeah, interest rates are a little bit higher. It might be a little bit tougher to qualify, but at the same time, sellers may feel that same pressure. You might be able to get some closing cost credits. So as long as you have a big spread, you're still good as an investor. We are still biting more, eating more, buying more homes.
The Fed is taking an aggressive stance on getting inflation under control. I mean, seriously, if before the money printer was broken wide open with Papa Powell laughing like Santa Claus, he is now Tony Montana's nose in Scarface, sucking up all the liquidity in the market. With this latest CPI reading, are we looking at another 75 basis point rate hike?
Yeah, so yep, it's true. I think the Fed's really going to raise the rates by 0.75. I even heard rumors of 1%. I know that sounds like a lot, but we're trying to get a handle on inflation. Yeah, there might be some short-term effects of job creation, but at the end of the day, there's other ways to get around to still buy properties. Remember, we always talk about creative financing or just getting a better deal.
That's a good point. As of late, the Fed's policy's effect on the market is about as consistent as a professional ping pong tournament. And I'm watching inflation like... Anyways, central bank officials, notably Vice Chair Lael Brainard, stated, while the moderation in monthly inflation is welcome, it will be necessary to see several months of low monthly inflation readings to be confident that inflation is moving back down to 2%. She further added, monetary policy will need to be restrictive for some time to provide confidence that inflation is moving down to target. We are in this for as long as it takes to get inflation down. With that being said, the question on everyone's mind, will mortgage rates increase, and will this further affect home affordability to the point that we pause investing in real estate altogether?
No, Sean, we're not going to pause at all. Guess what? There's still a lot of institutional buyers still want to buy. They still have cash on the sidelines and they love our market. So we're not really worried about those rates because most of our buyers are cash buyers. For them, they gotta place their money. The money sits in the bank, guess what's gonna happen? Their purchasing power goes down. So they're still hungry for more deals, we gotta still feed them.
Okay, so how can investors navigate the current real estate market?
So again, I know it sometimes feels scary to navigate through these things, but we always talk about patience, right? You don't want to just jump into a deal. You got to have multiple strategies. If you're just a cash buyer and you're only looking at properties one way, you're going to be out of this game. My favorite is leverage. What about using the bank's money, right? Or other people's money and private money, or even my money. A lot of ways to go out there. And, at the end of the day, you got to pick up your game to really start squeezing in those profits.
In conclusion, inflation is stuck with us like Austin Powers trying to flip a Yui in the confined hallway. It's stuck with us like this poor fella. In fact, it's so stuck, not even laxatives could unclog this mess. What? I know, inflation is not going anywhere for a while, so you can do one of a few things. You can sit on the sideline waiting for the perfect moment, forever stuck in this what-if loop, just watching institutional investors scoop up all the deals you wish you would have. You can jump into the market and buy overpriced homes and have your ass handed to you, or you can make your own decisions when it comes to investing, and if what we are doing appeals to you, maybe take it into consideration. 1, obtain a funding source. 2, be conservative with your numbers. 3, be patient. 4, strategy. And of course, we are not financial advisors, and this is not to be construed as financial advice, but we are 2 talking heads on YouTube who love to entertain people and happen to invest in real estate and do it really, really well. You should make your own decisions when it comes to investing. You do you, boo-boo. Anish, final words.
Yeah, so Sean, the word of the day is adaptation, right? You gotta start adapting to your circumstances, and what I'm talking about is inflation. What's your excuse when the rates were low? Did you buy? Were you sitting on the sidelines? Did you miss it again? It's about time that you started to get into the game and start building your portfolio.
And we're out.